Show face, unveiling the meaning behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Cozy Corner for English language learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, show face. Whether you're at a party, a meeting, or just hanging out with friends, you might hear this phrase. But what does it really mean? Let's explore it together and add another expression to your English toolkit. When someone says they need to show face, they're not talking about revealing a hidden mask or playing a game of peekaboo. To show face means to make an appearance at an event or gathering, often for a brief time and sometimes out of obligation rather than desire. It's about being seen by others to acknowledge the event or the person who invited you. In many cultures, showing face is a social etiquette that reflects respect and recognition. By showing up, even if it's just for a short while, you're conveying that you value the relationship or occasion. It can be akin to saying, "I'm here for you," or "This event is important to me." Showing face can be appropriate in various scenarios. Professional settings, attending an office party to show camaraderie, social events, stopping by a birthday party to greet the host, family gatherings, making a brief appearance at a reunion to honor the family ties. The key is to be present, engage in some pleasantries, and then, if necessary, you can make your exit without seeming rude. It's important to note that the concept of showing face may carry different weights in different cultures. In some places, not showing face might be seen as a slight or a sign of disrespect, while in others, it's a more relaxed expectation. Understanding this can help you navigate social nuances more adeptly. So there you have it. Showing face is all about making an appearance and acknowledging the importance of an event or person. We hope this video has shed some light on this expression and perhaps encouraged you to show face at your next social gathering. Remember, it's not just about being seen, it's about showing that you care. Until our next video, keep learning and keep practicing your English. See you soon.